样吧，有点强一下。Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, welcome to Henan Glory Manufacture Live Chart. Now, today, we will introduce our company's palm oil production line for you. So, if you are interested in our palm oil production line, please send messages to our company. Yes, we will have our sales managers to contact with you and provide the best service for you. Okay, today, let's begin. Okay. Today, we can see the video. Yes, the video is about 1 to 5 ton per hour. Okay, let's go on. This video shows about 1 to 5 ton per hour palm oil mill plants. But for this, we will recommend our customer to consider the 1 ton per hour, 2 ton per hour, 3 ton per hour. For 5 ton per hour, we have another video. Yes, okay. Firstly, let me introduce the mainly process of the production line. The mainly process of the production line include 5 parts. Yes, 5 parts will it includes the sterilization station, the thresher, the digester, the presser, and the last one is the filter. Yes, about the filter, we have the vacuum screen, or clarification tank, filter, and the vacuum drain system. Now, let's see the video. We can see the factory of the palm oil production line. Yes. Firstly, we will use the truck to transport our palm bunches from our palm plantation. For this, if your material is palm bunches, then we will use the thresher. But if your material is palm fruit, we don't use the thresher because the effect of the thresher is to separate the palm bunches and the palm fruit. Okay, let's go on. Firstly, we will enter the sterilization station. We will use a hose to transport the fruit cage. Yes, this machine is called fruit cage. One sterilized tank we will have four fruit cage. This sterilized tank is called Boyer steam sterilization tank. This is the boiler. We use the steam. For the whole production line, we have 2 types. One type is use the hot water, and another one will use the steam. Yes, he can achieve the same effect but if we use the hot water, the sterilization time will be longer than we use the steam. If you want to achieve more efficiency, so I recommend you can consider the steam sterilization check. Maybe after about 1 hour, we will transport the fruit cage to the thresher section. Yes, this is called the thresher, and we will contact a conveyor. After we separate the palm food and palm bite, we will transport the palm food to the digester. And the length of the conveyor may be about 3 meters long. And then we will enter the digester. This is the vertical digester tank. Yes, this is the river. We use the river to bring the palm food so that the palm food be broken. When we press the palm food, we can decrease the pressure. We can decrease the pressure of the pressure so that we can prolong the using time of the pressure. But during the digester process, maybe there will some palm oil spilled out. So we design a special part. It is called collect oil tank. Yes, it's a machine. This machine is used to collect the spilled palm oil, so that we can guarantee you can get enough palm oil. We can decrease the loss of the palm oil. This is our double screw palm oil pressure machine. Yes, the material of the screw we will use 2-13, a stainless steel. Yes, it is a kind of stainless steel, so his using time is very long. He can, if when you use palm oil pressure, sometimes you give his enough protection. Maybe the using time come over 20 years. And our machine and our company, for our machine, we can provide the 1 year warranty. Yes, 1 year after sales service and 24 online service after sale. So after this section, we can get the crude palm oil. The crude palm oil is also the red palm oil. And then we will enter the filter system. So the first machine we will use the vacuum screen. The vacuum screen is designed to layout, double layout, to remove some materials. And then we will enter the oil clarification tank. The oil clarification tank will have some pipes. The pipes we will fill with the steam. If you use hot water, we will put some hot water in the hot tank. So this is why I suggest you, if possible, please consider the use the steam, because the steam efficiency is very quickly. We also can see in this oil clarification tank, the inner, we have a special design. Yes, this is on the opposite directions triangle machine. Yes, so the oil enter the bottom of the oil clarification tank. The heavy materials will contact with the bottom, and the clean palm oil will enter the high level of the clarification tank, and so that I can enter this special machine. So we can collect the cleaner palm oil. And then the palm oil will enter the buffer tank. Yes, to storage, but the time is very short. It's just to adjust the speed. And then we'll enter the filter. The filter will use a hydraulic power. Just to remove some materials, but to remove some slightly impurities and moisture. And then we will enter our vacuum drain system. The vacuum drain system we also use the steam and a pump to. Firstly, we will use the pump to form a vacuum environment, and then we will use a stream to have enough temperature so that we can let the water become the gas, so that we can separate the palm oil and the moisture. We can, after this system, we can prolong the storage time of the palm oil. This is a cycle system. This machine is to process the gas. Yes, the gas from the boiler, the gas from the vacuum drain system, so that we also can achieve don't damage the environment. And then our palm oil can be stored in the oil storage tank. Okay, this is the palm oil production line. Now let me see some but we all know maybe someone has when we introduce the first video, yes, at the beginning also, I have told everyone, this video use the technology will use 1 time per hour, 2 time per hour, or 3 time per hour. Yes, just for 5 time per hour. All company has produced a special design. Now, let me introduce it for you. This is our 5 time per hour production, and the 5 time per hour production can achieve the fully automatically. Yes. First, we can see this machine. This machine is also to transport the palm fruit, the palm bunch to the sterilization tank, but we don't use the host. When we use the host in the sterilization tank, maybe you must need 1 people or 2 people to confirm that if the palm fruit can enter the sterilization tank correctly. But for our 5 time per hour, we don't use like it. We just need 1 people to check every section if it is working correctly. So we also can decrease the manual cost. We can have a rough view. Yes, this is the whole machine we use, and this is also the layout of the machine place. Yes, we also use the truck to transport the palm bunch from the palm plantation to our palm factory. Yes, firstly we will transport the palm bunches into the hopper, and then we use the conveyor to transport the palm bunches. We can see this process. To enter the sterilization tank, but we also see a special there. Yes, it's just this machine. At first, this machine is not on the sterilization tank. Yes, but when we transport the pump bunches, but when we let the pump bunches into the sterilization tank, this machines can be removed. This process will be used. This machine is called a vertical sterilization tank. The special is like this. We will use the hydraulic pump to control the open or the close of the door, and then the surface of the tank will use the pipes. The pipes will throw off the steam. Yes, the steam is from the boiler, so that we can know that the steam is not into the sterilized tank directly. Yes, he uses the steam firstly. Yes, so that we use this design. Firstly, we can guarantee the materials still in the comfortable temperatures, and second, we can reduce the waste of the results. And then the door opened, the pump bunch will come out. Yes, we also use a conveyor to transport the pump bunch. Yes, the pump bunch after sterilizing and enter the thresher. The thresher is called thresher drum. Yes, thresher drum. He used the driver to crush the pump bunch, and but we can see it have enough space. Yes, it has enough space for pump bunch. The pump bunch, he can get enough crush so that the pump we can achieve the more than we can achieve 99% separator of the pump bunch and pump foot. We can see the whole process is automatically. Yes, you don't need two people to care about the thresher process. Yes, just the input pump bunch will be direct the machine automatically. Yes, we can see this process. And then the pump foot can enter the under thresher conveyor. Yes, and enter through the foot conveyor into the digester. The digester surface also have a pipes filled with the steam. It has enough the same effect to provide the comfortable temperature. And we all know the palm oil is very stacked. Yes, his frenzy is very bad. So if we don't give him enough temperature, enough heater, maybe he can fix other machine so that it can broken the using chamber of our machine. It is a damage for our machine. And then after this process, we will enter our presser. The presser capacity is about 1 to 2 hours. But the capacity of the double scoop pump presser is 1 to 2 tons per hour production line. Yes, it means he can achieve 2 tons per hour capacity. And but but our machine we press the pump foot, we can guarantee we don't broke the pump nut so that the pump knob will not spilled. Yes, we get the oil is just pump oil. It doesn't the mix of the palm oil and pumpkin oil. Yes, so you don't worry about this. And then the cold palm oil, or we can call the red palm oil, will enter our filter system. Yes, the filter system is also the oil coefficient tank, the vacuum drain system. But we all know we can find some difference about the first video. Yes, in this video, we will enter the oil coefficient tank firstly, and then we will enter the vacuum, the vacuum screen, the vibrator screen. For this because the oil coefficient tank he use the gravity. Yes, he use the gravity so that we can remove some more heavy impurities. But for the vacuum drain system, we use the screen. Yes, the double screen. The double screen to remove some impurities. But for this impurities, it may be some can't get enough pressure. Yes, it may be still attend some palm oil. So after this, we will collect this material to enter the pressure again. We can see this process to collect to the digester. Yes, to digest again, and then to pressure again. But some cleaner palm oil will enter the next section. Yes, to our filter system. Because the 5 times per hour heat process is very big. Yes, so that to decrease your loss in a big degree, so that we will can guarantee you get enough palm oil. And the last we use the pump. We will use the pump to let our palm oil into the oil drain system. The oil drain system is also use the pump to get to give a vacuum system, and then we use the steam. Yes, to make sure in the comfortable temperature. Yes. After this, we can to be storage the oil storage tank. The oil storage tank will still have some pipes. Yes, the pipes is still filled with steam to keep the fluency of the palm oil. Yes, this is our boiler. The input pump bunches can also be the fuels to put in the boiler to provide the steam. This is the gas process machine. Yes. It's a recycle machine. Yes. After this, we you know the whole process. Yes, the whole meal. He is environmental friendly machine. Yes, he don't do any damage for the environment for the gas. Okay, this is our 5 times per hour fully automatic production. but okay, up to now I already introduced the two video for everyone, but we can find the no, but we can find not only the 1 ton per hour to 5 ton per hour production line, but the 5 ton per hour production line, we all know it has many machines. So maybe someone will carry about how can I installation it? Maybe someone will think the installation is a very big problem for us because we know the experienced workers is a very very difficult to be found. So maybe someone will care about the installation. He think the installation may be a big cost for the project. If you don't want to invest too much, and you also want to get the fully process of the production, but I can also introduce our company's the newly production, but the newly production is just suitable for 1 ton per hour. Yes, the 1 ton per hour. We can see these pictures. He is also his every process he is also have, but every process he is, but we can see he will some this machine. Yes, but we can see the solution tank this machine are be fixed. Yes, he is fixed, so that we can transport this machine just like this to our country. You don't worry about the installation because this machine can be it also be installed. Yes, but this machine just can be divided for 3 parts. Yes, the more details if you want to learn about, you can contact our companies. We can see this picture. This picture is for our 1 ton per hour simplified palm oil pressure line. We can see we will use the machine, the sterilizer, the thresher drum, the screw press, the vibrating screen, the cordial conversion chunk, the plant filter, the oil system. Yes, we just remove one machine. We removed the digester. Maybe someone could be think, we removed the digester. Maybe he will care about the cold palm oil. I guess maybe not enough, not good. Yes, I also can understand you're worried, but today I want to say you don't worry about this because because the most important for you, is to get enough process as soon as possible. Yes, but if you don't have enough, but if you just the first time to start the project, maybe you also have others worried and you don't want to invest too much. So I think maybe you can consider this machine list. Yes, because this machine design is also belongs to our company. Yes, we just we make a more reasonable adjuster. Yes, we remove the digester. We can see the sterilizer machine, the thresher, the presser, the vibrating screen, the archive fiction tank, the plant and the film filter, and the oxygen system. Now, let's see this machine. Yes, this is our cylinder tank. Yes, this is our sterilization tank. This tank is called, yes, this sterilization tank is called a vertical sterilization tank. Yes, there is some pipes. The pipes will be filled with the steam. Yes, but we all know, the steam is still, yes, is still filled with pipes at any time. Yes, at any time the pipes will filled with steam. If you use the another is called the boiler steam. If you use the boiler steam, when you open the door, yes, when you open the door of the tank, the steam will spill out. Yes, the steam will spill out. Maybe every time you must give enough steam. Yeah, firstly will but for this the pipes will still filled with the steam at any time. We also can see this is to collect the water. Yes, the steam will product some moisture. Yes, will small, very small water. Yes, we can use this to collect and remove. And for this, yes, this is our thresher. Yes, this is our thresher machine. We can see this is our thresher machine. Yes, the thresher we can see, but this machine is cannot be produced completely. Yes, it still need to be produced, but we can see the inner, yes, the inner of the machine will some river. Yes, the river will be will crush the pump foot. Yes, crush the pump box, so that we can achieve the separator of the pump box and the pump foot. This machine is the digester. Yes, this is the inner of the digester. You can see it is the inner of the digester. This is the inner of the digester. The digester will also have some remove to broken the pump foot, so that the pump foot can be broken about 4 or 6 parts. Yes, 4 or 6 parts, so that when we press the pump foot, we can decrease the pressure of the pressure and get enough the pump oil. Now let me see this is our double scoop pump oil pressure. It's also called expel. We can see this process. Yes, this is the pump foot. We can put the pump foot to the conveyor. Yes, so that when the pressure drops, we can get the palm oil. Yes, we can get the palm oil. Yes, we can see. We can see this motion. Yes, this motion is called, yes, vibrating screen. It has double screen. Yes, the double screen is different because the number of the gaps of the screen is different. Yes, so that we can remove the impurities as soon as possible. We can creatively get the more cleaner palm oil. This machine is called cold oil clarification tank. Yes, we will use the gravity achieve to achieve the effect of the remove the heavy impurities. Yes, remove the heavy impurities so that we can get the cleaner palm oil. Yes, the cleaner palm oil will enter the special triangle models. Yes, the special triangle models so that the cleaner palm oil will enter the filter. Yes, this is the filter. We can set up the filter. Yes, this is the oil we get. We can see this is the filter. Yes, this is the working effect. Yes, the oil after vacuum, after the vibrating screen, after the oil clarification tank, after the filter. Yes, so the oil we can get is more cleaner. It's very clean. This is the last one. The oil. This is the last machine. It is called vacuum. This is called oil vacuum drying system. Yes, it's called oil vacuum drying system. We can see in this process the vacuum drying system. Yes, this tank, we will use a pump. We will use a pump to transport the crude palm oil in this tank. Yes, in this tank. This machine, it's called the gas. This machine is called gas moisture separator. Yes, gas moisture separator, because this machine is called water jet pump. Yes, water pump, water jet pump. Yes, no. This machine is called water jet vacuum pump. Yes, water jet vacuum pump. This machine he can give a vacuum environment. Yes, this machine he can give a vacuum the vacuum environment so that maybe the palm oil will pump in this machine. Yes, so this machine is a mix of the palm oil of the gas. Yes, because in the sterilization section, in the digester section, in the vibrator section, in the oil clarification, in the oil clarification tank section, we will use the hot water, we will use the steam, yes, to protect our palm oil in the comfortable environment, yes, to keep the fluency of the palm oil, so that maybe the palm oil will also have some moisture. Yes, we must remove this moisture so that we will give a high temperature, because in the vacuum environment the point of the water become the gas will be below. Yes, will not the 100. Maybe he must will less than 100, maybe about 60, 70 degree. Yes, so that we can very easily to remove the water and the palm oil. Yes, this is our vacuum drain system. After this, maybe someone he think he is also I think if you are the first time to start the project and you think you don't want to invest too much, maybe you can think to simplify the process production line for 1 ton per hour and 500 kilogram per hour. Yes, this is our 1 ton per hour palm oil price production line. Yes, 1 ton per hour. If your material is palm bunches, you also need to the thresher. Yes, this is our simplified thresher. He don't need too much power. Yes, he need the electricity is not very big, so you also don't too care about the electricity. Yes, 1 ton per hour palm oil price production line. Because the capacity of the thresher is 2 to 3 tons per hour, so it is much enough. And the double screw palm oil pressure is also the 1 to 2 tons per hour capacity. And the filter system is 1 ton per hour capacity. Yeah, the filter is also the capacity of the filter is also 1 ton per hour production. So maybe someone will think it seemed not very much, because you know in the thresher process we need some time. If we eat this time, so you can see the processing line is also can work smoothly, friendly. Yes. After the thresher we can get the palm foot. Yes. So after the pressure we can get the crude palm oil, and after the filter we can remove some moisture so that we can get the palm oil. Yes, the palm oil is also can be used to cooking food. Also, for this is our 500 kilogram per hour production line. Yes, maybe your capacity is not very big, but you also but your material is palm bunches, or you don't want to use people to separate the palm bunch and the palm fruit. Maybe you also can consider this one. Yes, the main difference between the 1 ton per hour production is just the capacity of the palm oil pressure. Yeah, because the 1 ton per hour production line, the capacity of the palm oil pressure is 1 to 2 ton per hour. But for this, the capacity of the press is 500 kg per hour. Yes, the capacity is smaller than the last one because, but we can know the maturity, and but we can know no matter the maturity of the school or the using time of the machine, it is also at the same level. Yes, so you don't worry about maybe the capacity is small, maybe the quality is very, maybe the quality is not very good. So you don't worry about it. You don't worry about it. It also have the same process. The material is pump bunch. You need the thresher to separate the pump and pump foot, and we use the pump foot, and you use the pump foot to the palm oil exporter. Yes, after the palm oil exporter, you can get the palm oil. Yes, maybe you can but a little tips. Yes, a little tips. I suggest you can buy a character machine. Yes, because you must use a machine to collect the palm oil. Yes, after you collect the palm oil, you can buy a pipe. Yes, a pipe, because the filter with the pump. Yeah, the filter with the pump. You can buy the pipe. The pipe put the collector. Yes, put the collector, and another is connected with the filter, and then the pump will can put the oil into the filter. Yes, so that you can buy another collector. Yes, another collector to collect the cleaner palm oil. Yes, so after this, you can also achieve the collector working for the simple production line. Also, if you don't want to if you think the simplified just 3 lister machine, you think it's too big for you, you can just buy a prizer. Yes, you can just buy the prizer. We can see the working process. We can see the cold palm oil we get. This is our factory. Yeah, this is our factory, and this is the materials after the pricer. Okay, now let me introduce for you. Firstly, maybe you are confused if we also to boil the palm fruit. Yes, I can tell you, if your palm fruit is fresher, it's fresh, you don't do just like it. Yes, you can price the palm fruit directly. Yes, but if your palm fruit is not fresh, maybe it's a little time. Yes, a little time. So you can do like this, but a little tips. Yes, we all know the palm bunches leave the palm tree a special chemical material is called the free fatty acid will be increased with the time going. So I also suggest that you can process the palm fruit in 48 hours. Yes, process the palm fruit in 48 hours. So that we put the palm fruit in this part. Yes, this part is a collector. Yes, in this part, so that the palm fruit will enter this, and the screw rotate. We can get the palm oil. Yes, you can just buy this machine to collect the palm oil. Yes, the materials of the screw is sugar section. Yes, a kind of stainless steel. We can see this is the crude palm oil we get. We can know the palm oil is very stark. Yes, it's very stark, and the color is red. Yes, the color is red. So this is why in the big production we used to need the steam or the hot water. Yes, because to keep the frequency of the palm oil. For the 500 per hour palm oil price, we have two types. Yes, one type is the motor type, another type is the design type. If your project set the power is not very good, but you need a single palm oil pricer, I suggest you can consider the design type. But if you think your project set the power is okay, the motor type, the design type is okay for you. Yes, which one you prefer, you can choose which one. We can see this material is after the pricer. Yes, it's after the pricer. We can see clear. The palm nut is not a bit broken. Yes, the palm nut is not a bit broken. So that we can make sure, because the palm nut is very stuck. Yes, the palm nut will not be broken. The palm kernel oil will don't spill out. So we get the oil just palm oil. We couldn't get the index of the palm oil and palm kernel oil. Okay. I say again, this is a double screen palm oil expeller. Yes, double screw palm oil expeller. The double screw palm oil expeller, the material of the screw is also Tucson. Yes, a kind of stainless steel. But we also use a hydraulic section. Yes, the hydraulic section to adjust the pressure of the machine. Yes, the pressure of the machine. He can adjust the pressure of the machine automatically. Yes, because the capacity is so big, so the pressure may be a little big. We can adjust the pressure automatically, so that we can guarantee the safety when you use this machine, and the whole machine the using time more than 20 years. Yes, this is our factories. This is our factory. Okay. Okay, if you are interested of our machine, you can also connect with our company. Yes, we will have the professional and excellent sales manager to provide the better service for you. Okay, let's see again. The production line. Maybe someone is interested in the production line because I think you have a big competition. And so we can see just like this. If you have a competition, I suggest when you build the factory, you can choose a set nearly your competition because we must to process the pump bunches in 48 hours. Yes, because we must to decrease the increase speed of the preferred eyesight. Yes, the effect of the solicitation, the first is to decrease the increased speed of the preferred eyesight, and the second is to make the palm foot soften so that we can press it easily and decrease the damage for our piece. And the last one is that we can let the palm oil connect on the surface of the palm foot so that we can get enough palm oil easily and enough. This is our boiler. The boiler is BEMOS boiler because we can use some input pump bunches as the fuels to provide the heater. Yes, we also have another tap. Yes, we also have another tap. We also have the gas boilers because if possible, I can recommend you to consider the BEMOS boiler. Yes, because the input pump bunches you can let the input pump bunches add the fuels. Yes, this is the digester. The liver can break the pan food. Yes, this machine is called character chunk. Yeah, it is double scoop amplifier. We all know our advantages of the palm amplifier. Buffer chunk. Yes, the some of our company can product every machine for you, so you don't worry about it. This is a vacuum drain system. This is the vibrate screen or clarification chunk of drain system. Plate and film feature. The gas process machine. Okay. Today's living health will be it. If you are interested in palm oil production, pumpkin oil production, or other selection flour, soybean, peanut, cotton, please contact our company. Yes, I will let our excellent sales manager to provide the best service and the best promotion for you. Goodbye.